I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope the set of videos which I have taken from previous test paper is really helping you to prepare for your own test on combination of functions. You can share your comments with me, and then if you need something extra, do let me know. Here is question number 14. Suppose f of x equals to cos x minus sin x and g of x equals to cos x plus sin x. Write product of these two functions and the transformation that can be applied to product of these functions such that it is equivalent to the graph of h of x equals to cos of x. Now that is a good question, and it should remind you of trigonometry which you've done recently. Now let's write down what the functions are. We are given f of x as equals to cos x minus sin x, right? And we are given g of x as equals to cos x plus sin x. We need to find product of these two functions, so that is what we need to find. So let's multiply them. So we have cos x minus sin x times cos x plus sin x. So that is product of difference and sum, so it gives you difference of squares. So we get cos square x minus sin square x, correct? Now do you remember cos square x minus sin square is what? It is indeed cos 2x, right? So that is what it is. Now the second part of this question is write product of this function and the transformation that can be applied to the product such that it is equivalent to the graph of cos x, right? So what transformation can be applied to this product so that it is equivalent to cos of x? That is the question, right? So what can we do about it? Now, as you can see how these are related. So we're talking about now h of x, which is cos x, right? And let me call this product of the function, right, which is cos of 2x. Now, if I have to go from h of x to cos 2x, right, if I have to go from there, then it is horizontally compressed by a factor of half, right? So but the real question is write this and the transformation that can be applied to the product such that it is equivalent to the graph. So we have to go from cos 2x to x, right? So if, however, we have to go from cos x to cos 2x, then what is the transformation? Translation is horizontal stretch. I should write compression. Okay, compression by factor of half, correct? The time period, you got two waves in 2 pi now, so the time period is just pi in this case, right? On the other hand, if you want the transformation in the other order, that is as asked for, from cos of 2x to cos of x, in that case what we have to do here, so this is half of this, so it is horizontally stretch by a factor of 2. Do you understand? So that is how it can be related. So to be on safe side, we can write both of them separately, right, so that we are very clear as to what the question is, right? I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.